check out this landing in a Cessna Grand Caravan at St. Bart's, or as I like to call it, St. Bart's. Tucked on the eastern end of the Caribbean, this little airport has a reputation for being one of the most harrowing places to land in the world. Enjoy, and don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. Spuds out.